Morning students, today we will continue with the chapter number 2 year to year. Our next topic is whose skin? Skin of different animals. Now you know how to recognize animals by their ears. Let us see if we can recognize animals by their skin. Match the animals shown here with the pictures of their skin. Make the correct pattern of the skin on the picture of each animal. So you can draw the skin texture on each animal. So here what is the animal given? Squirrel, deer, zebra, tiger and leopard. So you can match their skin pattern. You can draw those skin pattern on respective animals. Different patterns on the animals are due to the hair on their skin. Have you ever seen an animal without hair or whose hair have been removed? Imagine how the animal would look if it did not have any hair on its skin. There would be no patterns. If there is no hair, then there would be no pattern on their skin. There are list of animals. You might have seen some of the animals given below. Fox, elephant, sparrow, pigeon, frog, crow, peacock, pig, mouse, cat, buffalo, duck, hen, camel, lizard, cow. Put the names of the animals in the table below. Arrange these animals in the table given below. Ears can be seen. Elephant, fox, pig, mouse, cat, buffalo, camel, cow. Has hair on skin. Elephant, fox, pig, mouse, cat, buffalo, camel, cow. Ears cannot be seen. Sparrow, pigeon, frog, crow, peacock, duck, hen, lizard. Has feathers on skin. Sparrow, pigeon, crow, peacock, duck, hen. Which has feathers? The birds have feathers. In which list did you put the cow and the buffalo? From a distance, can you see the hair on their skin? Try to go near one of them. Could you see the hair on in this list? Can you see hair on cow and buffalo? So if you go and see near them and observe carefully. If you were to meet an elephant, would you dare to touch it? Do you know that an elephant also has hair on its skin? If you meet elephant, could you dare to touch its skin and feel the hair on the elephant? Animals which gives birth, those animals that whose ears we can see have hair on their body. These animals give birth to young ones. For example, cow, dog. Cow, dog. Animals which lay eggs. Those animals do not have ears on the outside, do not have hair on their body. These animals lay eggs. For example, sparrow, hen. Sparrow, hen. Can you tell which of the animals mentioned in the list lay eggs? Find out and write the names of these animals in the green box. And which of the animals in the list give birth to babies? Write their names in the red box. And now look again at the table on the previous page. Draw a line under the names of the animals whose names are in the green box and put a circle around the names of those animals whose names are in the red box. So, which of the animals in the list give birth to babies? Write their names in the red box, like fox, mouse, elephant, cat, camel, buffalo, pig, cow. And animals lay eggs: frog, hen, crow, sparrow, peacock, lizard, pigeon, and duck. So these animals lay eggs right in the green box. So what did you note? Those animals whose ears you can see have hair on their body. These animals give birth to the young ones. Those animals that do not have ears on the outside, do not have hair on their body, these animals lay eggs. Thank you.